Hey guys, this is me, Spider. So we're gonna play SpongeBob Battle Bikini Bottom. So we're gonna play right now, and we're gonna previously it. This will be part 9. So my plan is to make this video about SpongeBob Battle Bikini Bottom. I'm gonna make it up to part 15 or 20 if I have enough videos to make. Well, you know what? I'm gonna make it a 15, cause it's gonna end at 20. I mean at 15. Yeah. Let's continue this. I'm stuck in this mission, so I have to finish it. So I do not want to quit this. If I do, I'm gonna fail. I'll be a failure. That's what you get. You deserve that, you fool. Yeah, that's what you get. Goodness gracious. What is wrong with these guys? They got problems, man. Why are you doing this to me? Why? Dad? Yo, man, what do you want? Can you give me some... Can you make me a sandwich? Yes, yo, man. Give me a second, okay? Okay, Dad. Alright, that was my father. His name is Spurter. So... he's gonna make me a sandwich. Give me a second, guys. My dad. Oh my goodness, stupid fish shot your mouth. So my dad's gonna be here in the video. Shut your mouth! I'm trying to talk to my friends. Goodness gracious! Oh my gosh, seriously, why? 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 So my dad's gonna be in the video. Oh my gosh. Really? 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 Stupid buffoon. Stop doing that to me, you moron. What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Why? You stupid. Why? You buffoon! Oh my gosh! Stupid buffoon! Why are you doing that to me? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Moron! Thank you, you buffoon! Stop shooting at me! So you deserve that. Goodness gracious. These robots got problems. Goodness gracious! Buffoon! Oh my lord, why are you doing this to me? Oh my gosh! So that's gonna be in the video. Yo man, I'm coming. I got your sandwich is ready, yo man. Okay, Dad. Here you go. What are you doing, yo man? I'm making a video about my acting outrage. You're outraging, yo man. Yeah, Dad. Who's here in the video? No, nobody. Alright, yo man. Here's your sandwich. Thank you, Dad. Let me eat the sandwich right now. Here. Let me eat the sandwich. Ugh, that's good, baby. Yeah! Yeah! Here, let me go get some water. Okay? So, I'm gonna go get some water. This is good. Water's good. Oh, that's not best with that. That water's so good. Look at me on my wet now. Look at me on my wet. Hi, Stefan. Hi, Spider. Hey, guys. That's my friend, Stefan. So he's recording me. He's a recorder. And sorry, guys. Sorry. I was just trying to dry myself off. Yo, man, what are you doing? I'm washing myself. No, you're not. What are you doing, yo, man? No, I'm just drinking water. Alright, stop messing around. Come on. Get out of the bathroom if you're done using it. Okay, Dad? Come on, guys. Mom! Yes, sweetie pie? I need water! Sweetie pie, calm down. Yo, man! Stop talking to your mother like that, yo, man! Cut it out! You better show some respect, yo, man! Stop it! I'm sorry, Dad. Yes, sir. Say sorry to her. Sorry, Mom. Alright, sweetie pie. Don't be rude. Spider, why are you screaming, man? My mom. What do you mean your mom? You're being overreacting, man. What are you doing? I'm making a video, okay? Goodness! Getting my nerves! Jeez, you need to calm down. You got problems with everything. Well, you got problems with nothing but food. Well, if you got problems, don't say I didn't warn you. Whatever, Hampton. Let me dance to you. Sorry. Let's play this. Why, you buffoon? Spider, shut your big mouth. Leave me alone! You know what? I'm quitting. I hate this. This is the most stupidest game on earth I ever doing. I'm quitting. Stupid game! You know what? I just want to go into the other mission and play there for a while. Sick of this. Mission gets on my nerves. Making me mad right now. I'm gonna knock out this mission. Goodness gracious, stupid mission. This mission gets on my nerves. Oh my gosh. Let me play that stupid mission, buffoon. Hurry up, stop loading. Sorry. Oh! 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 Ah! 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 Come on, SpongeBob. What are you waiting for, SpongeBob? Come on, hurry up, buffoon. I know this place, buffoon. Shut your mouth. Okay, whatever, moron. Get out my face. I'm sick of seeing this. Come on.
SpongeBob,
who are you, lady?
Destroying downtown Bikini Bottom. We have to evacuate.
Do I know you? You stupid looking. Get out my face, woman.
But it's gonna take a while to get all this dust.
What? There's no dust up in here, you buffoon.
Not vacuum. Evacuate. We have to get
Oh my
everyone
goodness,
to
he's
safety.
stupid. Get out my face. You're stupid looking. You look weird. What are you doing, robots? Trash garbage face. Trash face. You got fart coming out of your mouth, gas face. Get out my face. Can't believe this. What on earth is this? What on earth is shooting sinks? Ow! Oh my gosh, that gotta hurt. Oh my gosh. What is that the thing he's doing? That thing's trying to kill me. What on earth? I ain't doing anything! What are you doing, you buffoon? Trash garbage face. What on earth? It broke me! Why did you do that? I didn't do anything to you. What are you doing? I haven't done anything to you. That's dangerous, man. It hurt my friends. Buffoon! What are you doing? I didn't do nothing. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! What are you doing? You moron! Stop shooting at me! Those things! Not those things run fast. Okay, I get it, buffoon. I know that thing. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh! What is that thing doing? What on earth? Oh! Oh! Ow! Goodness gracious. Ah! Gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. That gotta hurt, man. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Buffoon. What do you think you're doing? Why are you doing that to me? Ow! What are you doing? You're killing somebody! You're gonna kill someone! Oh my gosh, she's gonna kill her. What is she doing? What are you doing, stupid jellyfish? Stop hitting me, trash garbage face. Leave me alone, jellyfish. What are you doing? Stupid trash garbage face. Trash garbage face. What are you doing? Why? Why? Why would you do that to me? Sorry guys, I almost dropped the camera. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Stop it! That's right, that's what you deserve that. Butthead. What are you doing, buffoon? Stop shooting at me, stupid cannon! I'm gonna break you. That's what I'm gonna do to you. I'm gonna murder you later, cannon. What are you doing? Why are you doing this to me? I ain't even doing anything to you. Stop shooting at me! If you kill me, I'm gonna scream at your face. This cannon's making me mad. I'm about to scream at that cannon. Stupidest cannon on earth. Why? Wow! Oh my gosh! You stupid buffoon!
Sometimes pushing a single button is the most satisfying. Push.
It's not satisfying. Shut your mouth. You get on my nerves, boy. Get up there and stop talking. If I knock you out, you're making me angry. Really? Seriously? Finally, you suck. Goodness gracious, but moron. Buffoon. You buffoon. 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 What are you doing? A cat? What is that? What is that Gary guy doing up there? Great, get it. Goodness gracious. I know what of those things are, okay? Goodness gracious. Stupid buffoon. You get on my nerves. Why? Turkey face. What are you doing? Don't shoot at me like that. Why are you shooting at me? Don't shoot at me with those thingies. Don't shoot at me with that cannon. Stop shooting at me with those cannons. Stop shooting at me. Stop shooting me with that cannon. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I feel like a new start.
Why? I hate this. Come on, hurry up! Wasting my time. Gracious, buffoon. I'm out of here. This thing's gonna kill me. And if I die, it's gonna be all those cannons' fault. Can't deal with me now. No! Are you serious? What on earth? Stupid! Why? What on earth? I got something to word. I got one to say. I got one word to say. Stupid! Alright guys. I'm about to wrap it up right now. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna make another video. Don't worry, I'll come back for you guys. Do not cry. Don't cry, okay? Just kidding. Alright guys, have a good day. Peace out. If you like this video, go ahead and say liking button. Bye.